In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share tasks Google Calendar tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to create a task in Google Calendar and generate a share link from Taskboard so others can see the same list. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you manage multiple profiles, double check you're on the account you want to use for tasks so everything syncs correctly. Next, open a new browser tab for Taskboard. Keep Google Calendar open in the first tab. Sign into Taskboard with the exact same Google account you're using in Calendar. Matching accounts is important. If they don't match, your tasks won't appear where you expect them to. Now go back to your Google Calendar tab. In the upper left, click the Create button. From the menu that appears, choose Task. This tells Calendar you're adding something to your Google Tasks list, not creating a calendar event. A task panel will open. Type a clear, action-oriented name so it's obvious what needs to be done at a glance. Then add the details. Use the description area to include context like steps, links, or notes that will help anyone viewing the list understand what success looks like. You can also adjust date and time if needed, but the key here is to capture the task and its supporting information. When you're satisfied, click Save. You should see the task appear in your calendar on the assigned day or in your task list. With the task created, switch back to your Taskboard tab. Give it a moment if you've just saved the task. Syncing usually happens quickly. Locate the list where the task lives and find the three-dot menu next to My Tasks or the specific list name. Click that menu, then select Share List. This opens sharing options for the list that contains your new task. In the sharing window, click Copy Link. This copies a shareable link to your clipboard so you can paste it into email, chat, or a document. Before you send it, take a moment to confirm what access that link provides and share it only with people you trust. If you're collaborating with a team, it's a good practice to label the list clearly and keep task names consistent so everything stays organized as more items are added. That's it. You've created a task from Google Calendar, then shared the list through Taskboard by copying a link you can send to collaborators. If your task doesn't appear right away in Taskboard, make sure you're signed into the same account in both tabs and give it a brief moment to sync.